Good morning, everyone. Today, to have a better interaction through an online medium, we can have tools used for it, like making an online PPTs using Microsoft and giving the assignment using Flipgrid. You can just go to Microsoft's way. Through my Microsoft account, I directly get logged in and my account is created. I can start creating a new presentation. So it will ask you as what will be your storyline and the designs also. So I'll just start my storyline with say a background which could be an image. So I may take that image from, I can select the images. It will give me multiple images. I can just see, or I can just try teaching learning using technology tool. So I can just say add some more things if I want to add, say images. I again want to add in my PPT, or I just want to, as I select, it is simply acts, so I can just give the captions and I can just play and see how it looks. So my first slide, then these are the other slides that are there, then these are the two slides which I grouped together and added. I can ungroup them also, so I can write something about, I can even emphasize, add bullets, focus a point. So in my image, if I want to say focus this point, and then I can just play and see how it looks. You can use different styles and how it will look. So emphasize, moderate. So this way you can add more points to your stories, and always at the end you can share it. A specific group of people, those or in your organization or anyone with a link. So you can just invite people to view or edit. That is how you can share. And more, you can copy the link and share it. And you can add a password to view is also that you can reset it. So that is how we can easily make the presentations using it. And say suppose I copy this link and now I want to see how it will, people will see this now if I want to group and have if all the contents on the same slide, so I can make a grid and add the content. It could be say multiple images. So I can just select all what I want to add in this grid, say 4 or 5 images, and say add. So you'll see that all have been added as a group. They are all as a group or one slide, and once I play it, so that's a group. I can just cancel it and then proceed to the next slide. How to use a flip grid. Now, a flip grid is a way of giving a tutorial to receive the videos for the output from the students. So I'll just write Flipgrid. It's again a Microsoft product. So you can create an educator's login. So once you create a login with your Google or a Microsoft account, it will ask you as what topic you want to create or what all groups you want to add. So you can create a group of your own with the students. So you can give a group name, you can give a code to it, and the extension of an email ID with which the students will only be able to say if you have a Microsoft login or a Google login. So that is how they will be able to join it. Once you give all these details, so it will ask you for a next and then you can launch anything. So first I will add a group and then I will add my topics and share it with my group. So these are the three simple steps that you need to perform. So I'll just create a group. Say group name is a join code. You can give any code to it that you want, or it gives you on its or it gives you on your own. Email ID. So I can so I've just chosen the email ID, or you want them to join with username. So I have selected an email ID. Then I have to give it the domain that with which they will join. Say at the rate the domain. So you can have a password also. Now you will have to select the topic. The topic could be whatever you have made. So I've made one, and I can just add topic as what I want them to write is. Space communication, I'll give you as the topic. Nation, and then I will just write share communication. I want to record and give them, so I can just record. For this tutorial, you need to identify a news regarding the advancement in space communication and share the same. So it will upload, and once success, you just need to complete it. You can delete, you can add. So after that, you need to have a topic moderations or anything if you want to add. Comment, the students can respond to other students. So I'll just through videos and comments, I will just limit the time, recording time to 1 minute, and just create this topic. Now I can share it with the groups that I have in my, share it with my Google Classroom, or copy and embed a code anywhere in my, share it in my Teams, or anywhere I can share it. So who can access this topic? So after this sharing, I have copied it, I can share it in my group. So we have made our own topic, and we have even uploaded a video for the students. We can share it with the students as a code that they can type. So let's see how for a student it will be. So for a student, this is a code that they have to type to join it. So I just copy this code and share it in my class group. Now the participant has to go to the Chrome and just type Flipgrid, and as flipgrid.com, click on flipgrid.com. It will ask to join the code. So we know the code that we have shared with the students. The student will simply, so the students will be able to log in and will be able to see the video uploaded by the faculty, and then will be able to record their response. So they can open in an app. The student is able to see the video and the instructions given to him. And now share your voice. So you can record the video. Student can record the video and just share it. Once done, we'll just and review it and just post it. So it will just display the name. It will display the name and submit. And on the screen of the faculty, so on the screen of the faculty, you can see the faculty has received one response, and he can just go and share this. Right now it's hidden. We can make it active. We can share it with the whole class so that the others can view if that's the best video. You yourself can play and see the video. So this is how you will be able to review it and use it for maybe for taking an offline vivas and giving the questions to the students and just viewing their answers and rectifying it. Or it could be a tutorial on some latest activity, some news sharing, or making some interesting videos which they can share with the whole class. Thank you.